let's find trig functions using reference angles. Calculators are beautiful. Some calculators are more beautiful than others. But if you're given a special right triangle and said that you need exact answers, this is where knowing your special right triangles is going to be helpful. So here we are going to find the exact values of the 6 trig functions of a 300-degree angle. So first things first, if I would say, okay, 300 degrees is going to be about right here, all right? Now, I don't know that off the top of my head, but here's the closest x-axis, and so the measurement there is 60 degrees, because 300 plus 60 gets me back to the 360. So I am dealing with a 30, 60, 90 right triangle. And remember, for 30, 60, 90, the side opposite of 30 is the short side. The side opposite of 60 is square roots of 3 times the short side. And the hypotenuse is always double the short side. So I know my reference angle is 60, and I'm ready to find my 3 pieces. Now, one thing you need to remember, we are in quadrant 4. The sine in quadrant 4 is negative. The cosine in quadrant 4 is positive. The tangent in quadrant 4 is negative. If you don't remember those, you need to go back and watch a different video. But we got to keep that in mind, because remember, when you find 60 and all those, because 60 is a quadrant 1 angle, it always comes out positive. All right, let's start. The sine of 60 is the opposite over the hypotenuse. Sine is negative, so I make it negative. I'm going to go ahead and do the cosecant at the same time, because the cosecant flips it. So negative 2 over radical 3. I know I need to multiply the top and the bottom by radical 3, so I get negative 2 radical 3 all over 3. Next is the cosine of 60. Well, cosine is adjacent over the hypotenuse. Cosine is positive, so I'm good to go there. Let's go ahead and do the secant of 60 at the same time. We simply flip it, and the secant of 60 is 2. Now we go on to our tangent of 60. Well, tangent is opposite over adjacent, which is just the square roots of 3. But remember, the tangent is negative. And then the cotangent of 60, we're going to flip that, so we get negative 1 over radical 3. I multiply the top and the bottom by radical 3, and I end up with negative radical 3 all over 3. I don't know where that line came from. So negative radical 3 all over 3 for the cotangent. So the reference angles allow you a nice, easy way, right? We know 30, 60, 90 right triangles easily. So by turning that 300 degrees into a 60 degree, it makes everything just a little bit easier.